For the National Cyber League Project 2 of CIS 200, I am tasked to create a tutorial video for my peers. The challenge I have picked for Project 2 within the National Cyber League Spring 22 Gymnasium is Cryptography Steganography 2. The level of difficulty of this problem is medium. Steganography means to hide the existence of data within another type of file, such as an image file. It is a word from Greek meaning covered writing. For this problem, the hackers have hidden a message in this image. I have to discover the hidden flag within the image. To complete this problem, I download the stag2.bmp file, which is located up here at the top right. Click on it, and I'll download it. Then I download and install the Digital Invisible Ink Toolkit, which I have the tab up here. Click on the download link, click on here. After a couple seconds, it'll download. There it is, it downloaded. So after it downloads, I create a folder for the stag2.bmp file and Digital Invisible Ink Toolkit file. So I'll minimize my browser. I'll create that new folder on my desktop. So I'll right click, click New Folder, and I'll name it Digital Invisible Ink Toolkit. Then I'll open up File Explorer, click on Downloads, click and drag the image and program. I'll open up the folder, run the program. Since I am attempting to decode the image, I click on the Decode tab, which is located at the top. Then I click on Get Image and find the stag2.bmp file. Click on Desktop, the folder I created. There it is. Click on Open. Since no password is provided for this problem, I do not have to enter a password. Also, since the algorithm that was used to encode the image is not stated, I can use trial and error. I will start with BattleStag. But before I click on Go, an output file is needed to write whatever it decodes. So I will create a blank bitmap image file named hidden message. So I will create that on the new folder I created. Right click, I'll click on new bitmap image and name it hidden message. Then I'll go back to the program, click on set message, click on desktop, find the folder, click on the bitmap image that I just created, click on save, click go. Error, could not find a message on image with given settings. This error message appears because the incorrect algorithm was selected. I'll click on OK and I will try the blind hide algorithm. So click on go. Success message was retrieved. Now that I have picked the right algorithm, the hidden flag message will appear within the hidden message.bmp file I created. So if I go back to the folder and click on the image, as you can see, here it is. Here's the hidden flag, which I can verify. If I go back to my browser, and click to reveal solution guide, the hidden flag that I have matches the hidden flag on the solution guide. There it is. There are other steganography programs like OpenStego, Outguess, StegHide, and StegDetect that are available to use. I hope this tutorial video helps.